Adventure Me! Woohoo!
What is up, guys? Adventure Man here. We're checking out the storm in Charters Towers, North Queensland. Holy crap. Bit stupid standing near a metal roof in a thunderstorm, but I'll take my chances for the viewers. You can just see it right above this house here. Now, because I'm filming, it's not gonna do it. Oop. Trying to see if it'll get a bit of lightning strike. Stupid bugs. If there's a lightning strike, you gotta subscribe. And if there's a big flash, you gotta like. So, let's see what happens. Subscribe for a lightning strike and like for a big flash. Can hear all the dogs going off. And it sounds like, whoa! I don't know if I caught that on camera. I'll have to zoom out a bit. That's right at the top of that cloud there. Hopefully you caught that. That was huge. Oh. See, now it's not going to happen because I'm filming. Whoa. Yep, you got to like. Now if there's a big lightning strike, you got to subscribe. Oh. Haven't lost power yet. You can hear the air conditioner running. Let you know if I do. Sounds like it's coming. I have to text my friend. Crikey, that was a big one. I'm standing next to a metal roof, but if it gets really stupid, I probably should go inside. Don't want to get hit by lightning. Well, we do get pretty bad storms in North Queensland. Pretty severe. I don't know if I can really film on because my phone's running out of battery. And I better charge it if the power's going to go out. Holy crap! There's going to be a big bang now. I'll laugh if that bat got hit. That was a big one. That was a big one. Oh, here it comes. People were saying God's angry. Or moving furniture. Those of you religious people out there, God sounds like he's moving furniture. For Christmas, maybe. Oh no. Those clouds are looking green. Hope we don't get hail here. I know a lot of people have parked their cars. Those clouds are looking weird. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Those are looking green. That's weird. They're seriously looking kind of green, like when you come off an amusement park ride. Sort of that colour. Why are they green? That is strange. Holy crap. That was a big one. Oh, just looks so funny on camera. Always wanted to take photos of lightning, but we probably need a $3,000 camera for that, I reckon. Don't want to spend that much on a camera. Maybe 500. Don't really need one though. Because you got to hook it up to your computer and stuff like that. Whoa! There it comes. I do like my friend. Should text my friend and ask her, and I'll let you know. But those clouds are looking very strange. Door opened. Wind's starting to pick up now. So you can hear it on camera, it's starting to pick up. So really hope we don't lose power. Otherwise it's stinking hot. It's okay if the power goes out in the day because you can go for a walk, but at night time it's a bit annoying. In the daytime it's alright to go out because you can read books and read like big chapter books and stuff like that, but at night it's a different story. Comment down below how long you've lost power for. Let me know in the comments what's the longest time you've ever lost power in a thunderstorm. Oh, someone's riding a scooter. I don't think that's a stupid thing to do. There's more over here. That's absolutely crazy, this cloud. Oh, now the lightning's getting mad. You can just smell it. It's coming, I think. Surely. I thought my friend would have texted me, but no. But should be coming. You don't want to be walking. You don't want to be walking up Towers Hill on this. The clouds look so good on camera, actually. It's only a cheap Samsung, and they actually look really good. Another bat flying around. Now, I don't think I should be standing out here. But, risk it, I guess, like I said. Might be getting a bit boring for you, but I'm waiting for another huge lightning strike. Don't want one coming out of there because it'll just smash right into my face, but holy! Just smash. Don't want it to hit the tree there, so. Last thing I want to be doing is calling 000 or Ergon Energy. Should probably switch my blow up Santa off. Don't want him blowing up. Whoa, that was a big one. Right above the house. Now it's... Oh, that was cool. Hopefully you got that. It was just right above them two clouds there. Oh. It's a bird. A bit late for him to be out. I'm waiting for one more lightning strike and I'll come back out later if it's not pelting down rain and sea. I'm just waiting for one huge more lightning strike to go down or across the sky, and then I might head inside because this is a bit of a dumb idea to be standing out here. That doesn't count. I'm waiting for a big strike. Bit of a dumb idea to be standing out here in the lightning storm. Wouldn't be pretty getting hit by lightning. Some people survive though. Whoa, that was a big one. Another big one. It's getting dark, so the camera might go weird. Should be alright, people are driving around. Only thing I'm dreading is cyclone season. Whoa! Was very, very hot today, like you saw before. We're up Towers Hill. The surface has reached up like 60 degrees, so don't blame it, the weather. So whoa, that was huge. I always say we wait for one more, but we'll just give it one more shot. Ooh. Unless it starts pelting down rain, but should still be far away. Those clouds still looking a bit weird. I'll have to look it up on Google. Pretty sure hail clouds are green. I only had hail here once. I wouldn't want the big ones. There's not much happening, probably because I'm filming. But as soon as I go inside and do something else, it's gonna come. Or miss us. Usually misses us. Always hits Townsville or somewhere else. So I don't know why. Something to do with the range, I think. Now it's getting silly. Now it's getting quiet. Oh, sounds like there's going to be a big one. I don't know why them clouds look green. Maybe it's just my eyes. Maybe I've been watching too much news, but they're looking weird to me. Very strange. I don't know if it's the moon though. Could be the moon reflecting off it. Well, you can't really see it now. Holy! Oh, I just missed that. Never know where to point the camera actually. You point it over here because there's a lightning strike over here and there's going to be one over there. So I don't know where most of the lightning's coming from. Must be over there because that's... Oh, it must be here. Oh, Mother Nature's angry. She's angry. Yeah, there all the lightning is. There's all the lightning, I mean, fixing my grandma. That actually looks kind of cool on camera. Yeah, now it's back over there. Whoa, that was bright. Good way to bugger up my phone camera. Huh, there's a cat walking street. Gets singed. Alright, just want to check out the cat. Right. Maybe we'll hit it to once it gets 15 minutes and then I might go inside. Standing outside near a metal roof. Stupid thing to do. Whoa. Oh. Never mind, I thought someone lost power. Nothing yet. Well, not even lose power. Better get my flashlights ready. Holy. Okay, now it's just getting like flashes, not really many strikes. God's bowling because they're getting lightning strikes. It's just a horrible joke. Oh, there's one right above the house. Missed it. Oh, yeah. Neighbours having a good old yarn. Whoa, that was a big one. Unless they've lost power. Oh, it actually wants to get out. We'll give it to like 15 minutes and then I'll head inside because it is getting a bit wild. Whoa, if it gets stupid like this, I might have to run inside. Oh, I heard something. Oh, neighbour's coming. Alright, looks like it's going away. Can't see anything but flashes, you can. Don't want to turn my phone light on because I want to distract cars. Whoa. Let you know how bad it gets. I don't really want to post this video yet in case power goes out and Optus goes down. Telstra too will probably go. Whoa, that look cool. Actually, I might wait till like 19 minutes. Well, the wind sort of died down, but... Holy crap. But again, if it gets stupid, even if I can't make it to 19, I'm not risking my life. Last thing I want to be is flying to Townsville on the chopper. Okay, I think it's starting to rain. I don't know. Who wouldn't want to get hail? Some people don't have carports. This panel beaters will be packed. Now it's getting crazy. Cloud looks like it's weathering away. Getting crazy. Can't smell rain yet. It's just the aircon running if you're wondering what that noise is. Or I should switch it off. I don't want to break it. Whoa, that was big. So someone's walking in that. That is crazy, man. You Americans will get big storms. Let me know if you're from America. How big storms you get. Holy crap, that was big. The heck was that? Whoa, that was big. There you go. Whoa, another big one. I'll have to start heading off indoors. Whoa, that was a weird colour. Holy crap, now it's getting stupid. Weather changes in an instant. Very, very still too. Just hope we don't get hail. Really hope we don't get hail. Holy! Okay, it's nearly 19 minutes. I would increase it, but not staying out here too long. Standing right in the yard in a thunderstorm. So you're basically playing with death. Someone's driving silly. Whoa, that looked like the world glitched. Oh, temperature just changed. People are probably thinking, what the hell am I doing? Some idiot standing outside his house in a storm. But, whoa! Man. Whoa. Okay, it's nearly hit the 19-minute mark. Whoa! That is crazy. Gotta subscribe if... Oh, what was that? There's another big lightning strike. You gotta subscribe. Yep, there we go. Now the wind's picking up. Now it's getting stupid. I better run indoors. Oops, lightning's hit something. Smell something burning. Okay, no, I've lost power just yet, but again, I should probably head off inside. Oops, someone's here. Might get a better view up here. Shouldn't be touching metal stair railing. Then I'm getting under a metal roof, so. Tricks here, it says it calms down and it gets stupid again. Like I said, I'm filming. And when I stop filming, it's going to go absolutely nuts. Okay, if there's one more lightning strike to end the video, we'll end the video there. Come on, please, one more lightning strike. One more. Oh, nope. Oh. Thunder sounds pretty promising. Please, one more really cool peak of flash of lightning. Oh, that was good enough. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a good night, day wherever you are. Peace out. And now we're finally getting some rain. You can hear it on the roof. It's blowing everywhere, so it's still storming. I don't know. Whoa. It's going everywhere. All over my phone. I don't think that's good for it. Holy crap. It's like 8:48 now. Might have to go inside. Right, not going to stay out here too long. Phone is getting soaking wet. Just switched the phone light on. Caveman's trying to go through his phone, but switched the phone light on. I don't know if you can see the rain. Yeah, you can see it a bit on the lens. There it is, a bit of rain. It's coming back. Alright, better go. Thanks very much for watching the video. Have a good night, day wherever you are. Peace out.